I'm Samir, I'm the Global Brand VP for Lifebuoy, and I'm delighted to be at Lions Health.
Hi, I'm Myriam Sidibe, Global Social Mission Director for Lifebuoy. Delighted to be at Lions Health. The reason why Help a Child Reach 5 campaign is so successful, it's because it's backed up by amazing programs on the ground. Because actually we've managed to reach 183 million people across 16 countries. We've proven the results of how well this could do for public health.
I think the process of convincing senior people in our organization to take risk, I think has become a lot easier, because in Unilever, I think we're being encouraged to go in that direction. But I think another big thing which has happened is that digital has liberated us. So digital liberates you from having to do repeated preview tests and things like that. And you can now, as the IBC leader, as the one person responsible for that communication, I'm much more empowered to go ahead and actually shoot the advertising and see what happens on digital. And that's what actually we've done on Lifebuoy, which is why the riskiest ideas don't get killed. In fact, they keep getting enhanced.
It is important to be brave, especially when you're talking about something as serious, obviously, as saving lives. And I think the solutions, if the solutions were very simple, then they would have been done. And obviously, if we're still faced today with child mortality, that means that the solutions in the past have not worked. So I think this is where the power of brave marketing can really save lives. And then, you know, we in Lifebuoy try very hard to go out of normal marketing to be able to embed that into our business model.
If you do it as mere charity, if it's like a one-off thing that you do to impress people, etc., I don't think that model is sustainable. I think the way Unilever has come to it through its sustainable living plan is to integrate the social missions into the business model. Because only when it does good for your business do you return to it next year and the year after that. You set goals which are 10 years out.
The world is slowly getting there. I think the public sector is increasingly coming to the private sector for solutions that require creativity and especially reach. For example, in trying to change behavior on hand washing with soap, you need the soap. So at the starting point of that creativity is ensuring that the product is accessible, appealing, and then inspires consumer to be used. So I think that in itself creates an amazing opportunity for you to be able to land the program. So I think the consumers today realize that actually when you ask a mother in a rural area who has told you about hand washing with soap, most likely she will tell you Lifebuoy. I hope they took away that our commitment is genuine and that we are indeed backing it up by real programs on the ground, and that we're making making a difference to the consumers on a day-to-day basis. I hope that they also took away the fact that doing brave marketing pays off, and that actually it's the kind of pay that you can't even put a value on because it's way beyond profit. And that you can do so much with engaging your company by pushing yourself and really seeing what meaning you can give to your brand and what meaning would that mean for society.